Planning for life after death is something many people don't want to talk about. But as Ashley King explains, one Arkansas man is helping educate people about this necessary evil.
For the past 14 years, Justin Elrod has dedicated his life to being an attorney. But about 3 years into that, the type of attorney he wanted to be changed.
Just the emotional struggle, the financial struggle that they went through just planted the seed in my mind that there's got to be something better than that.
He's talking about his grandparents. After seeing their struggles toward the end of their life, he decided to become a certified elder law attorney. There's only 3 in Arkansas. His focus, estate planning.
Part of estate planning is just making sure that if you get injured or sick or older, that you've designated somebody that you want to be able to help. That's called power of attorney.
He recently released a second edition of his book called You Need a Plan. The 3 main things he tells his clients: 1, don't do nothing.
Planning ahead, just don't put it off, take action, talk to the right people.
2, go beyond a will.
It does not cover the things that we talk, power of attorney, if you got sick or injured. It doesn't avoid probate court.
And 3, know what probate court is and how to avoid it.
All sorts of expenses that estates end up having to pay that could be avoided if you weren't in probate court. And it's very public.
While estate planning sounds like something for people who have a lot of money, Elrod says that's not the case. If you own any property, it's especially important to have a plan in place.
Since Elrod's mission is to educate as many people as possible about estate planning, his book is free. All you have to do is pay the shipping. He also has a podcast to help you with estate planning. Now, for all of that information, head to our website. I'm Ashley King. Back to you.